What's up, gang? Y'all know what it is. It's your boy Get Busy Drizzy, and I'm back on another video. Today we going up here to the accelerated racing for Stunner Reese and CJ trunk or treat car show. You know what I'm saying? It just whenever you do something for the kids, it's always good. So we they put something together for the kids and for everybody to come out and do something. And it's actually a nice day today, so that's a plus. But I got my son with me, but unfortunately he knocked out. You know what I'm saying? So I gotta keep it down a little bit. Sorry if y'all can't hear me. If y'all do, give me a like. You know what I'm saying? Make sure I hit the subscribe button. You know what I'm saying? And I'll be pulling up. I'm getting ready to pull up there. But yeah. I went by Dawson's today. Checked out see if he was actually done my floors. He did nice too. I'm gonna record him. You know what I'm saying? Because he said he feel like people don't give him the spotlight that he deserves, so I'm gonna be the one to help. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna help. But nevertheless, man, y'all know what it is, and I'll be back with y'all with the rest of the video. See the cars? Huh? Look in the car, Jay. You see him in the car? You see him? He got the mask on. Watch me come past. Look, he put his mask on. Look. Yeah. It's crazy. There's a lot of cars out here, huh, Jay? Look, he put his mask on for you. Look in the car, Jay. Look in the car. See the small car?
Yeah.
Yeah, you like it? See Chucky in there? Look, there's another Chucky right there. Everybody got Chucky. Jay, get over here. Come over here. Yeah, I'll grab it for him. Jason, come here.
Oh my God.
You see it? Don't step and don't touch. Nobody cry. It's his car. That's the trunk. I mean, that's the roof. Hey, hey. good. You good, bro? Yeah, that should be all right.
We get fresh like who pay? We sipping purple Kool-Aid. That money on top, the nigga can't stop. You know we just chasing the blue grades. That money on top, the nigga can't stop. You know we just chasing the blue grades. That money on top, the nigga can't stop. You know we just chasing the blue grades. We get fresh like who pay? We sipping purple Kool-Aid. That money on top, the nigga can't stop. You know we just chasing the blue grades. That money on top, the nigga can't stop. You know we just chasing the blue grades. That money on top, the nigga can't stop. You know we just chasing the blue grades.
Yep. You like it? I love it, man. He got me carrying his book bag so he can have his candy and stuff. I'm sorry if y'all can't hear me. I'm by the highway side. So, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna show y'all most of the car. Y'all know it's gonna be a lot of B-roll. I mean, y'all know what comes with it. You cold? Okay. You know y'all get a lot of B-roll, but I'm gonna make it do what it do. I'll be right back with y'all. I'm gonna give him some to drink. I'll be right back.
We get fresh like who pay? We sipping purple Kool-Aid. That money on top, the nigga can't
Go
stop. You
back,
know we just chasing them blue drains. That money on top, the
Say
nigga
excuse
can't
you.
stop. You know we just chasing them blue
It's
drains.
bad.
That money
It's
on
good,
top,
you good.
the nigga can't stop. You know we just chasing them blue drains. We get fresh like
Get a
who
couple
pay?
pieces.
We sipping purple Kool-Aid. That money on top, the nigga can't stop. You know we just chasing them blue drains. That money on top, the nigga can't stop.
See
You
his
know
car?
we just chasing them blue drains. That money on top, the nigga can't stop. You know
Huh?
we just chasing them blue drains.
No, he can't do it right now. You're gonna do it at nighttime. Grab him.
I got one. I was sneaky.
Driving fast, man. I got something for you. You gonna hit the block in.
You gotta go on the sidewalk, Jay. Go to the sidewalk. You know how to drive.
Yeah, Yeah, go ahead, man. Get your swerve on.
Don't go on the grass. It's a Jeep. Don't mean you gotta go on the grass. Jason.
Yeah, get your swerve on. You gotta stay in the gray part.
Stay in the sidewalk, Jay.
You got it.
There you go.
Yeah,
There's a little hump right there.
Yeah.
Stay on the sidewalk. I mean, you swerving though. You know what you're doing?
Yeah, you need to bring him to the house, man.
Yeah.
Definitely you need to bring him, bro.
Tell him thank you, Jay.
Hey, look, man. Anytime, man. I'm like your uncle, man. Anytime you see me with a car, you can drive it. You know what I'm talking about?
You let him know.
Yeah, you can drive it. Fly Roy the Trendsetter in the house. We're building custom power wheels. You know, we do custom lighting, grills, especially for the kids. That's what I'm for, the kids. And make sure y'all like, share, subscribe. And make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, and keep tapping into my man, because he got something up his sleeve. You know what I'm saying? He the official Spider-Man. He got something up in there.
Y'all already know it, man. Make sure y'all like, share, comment, and subscribe, man. Like I tell everybody, it's free to show love.
Yeah.
It's free to show love, man.
All the time. Yeah.
Hey, where you going?
What's up, gang? Today was a successful day. Real successful day. And why I say that is because today was actually the first time my son ever went to a car show. Like, this is his first car show ever. So I'm hoping in all the stuff that he experienced today make him want to keep going. So I be trying to have him come with me. He don't like coming. I don't know why. But shout out to Stunner Reese, shout out to CJ, and everybody else that came, 32 gang, you know what I'm saying? I seen Miss 75 Caprice, Jay, Boots was out there. A lot of people out there. Swervo, I seen a lot of people. But I'm happy. My son happy too. And shout out to them for this. He got the costume award. He happy. You know what I'm saying? He really happy about this. So hopefully that makes him want to keep going to the car shows with me, because once my car done, you know, I'm gonna be gone. And if he don't like it, I'm not taking him with me. But he'll come with me now though. So I mean, we still got all year. So this is kind of like the last car show for the Midwest. Yeah, it is the last car show for the Midwest. And he was able to go, enjoy himself, and win a trophy. You know what I'm saying? It's like a kid's dream right now. He in her sleep right now, so I would have had him get on the camera, but yeah. Make sure y'all like, share, comment, subscribe, click the post notification buttons. I'm tired myself. Y'all see my eyes red. I'm sleeping. Let me see if I missed anything. I'm everywhere with it right now in this video. I got a little cars here, you know what I'm saying, recording him there. I will be recording the finishing product of Doss on my floors too. I love him. He did his thing. Doss did his thing down there at A15 Motoring. But make sure y'all like, share, comment, subscribe, click the post notification buttons, man. Join the Get Busy gang. I'll be back with you on another video.
For real. No cap, like we be gambling every day. Gambling. That's real talk though. Am I too close? I'm good right here. Duh, dummy. Gambling like a motherfucker. I gotta pay you for a loan in my name, bitch. You scamming like a motherfucker. This ain't no new shit. The only poo that I respect is poo sick. That's true shit. I was trying to move the 8-ball without the pool stick. Killer op on camera shit. We thought that was some cool shit. Gambling with our life until we end up on the news clip. Now you got a warrant and a bitch that say she love you. She got new dick. That's how life go. I just let the dice roll. It's weight up on my shoulders. I need lipo. Just got another chain. My neck be looking like a light show. The Lovo on my wrist, it wasn't a gift, it came from Drizzy, but it's slight though. PJK shit my life harder. Know when I crack a smile, my shit look like it's ice water. Lit up. Spin the block and make them boys pick they shit up. It's revolver pack 6. You ain't gotta do no sit-ups. Life knocked me down, shit. I'm happy I can get up. I'm happy that my kids can call